Dortmund, located in the heart of Germany's Ruhr region, is a city steeped in industrial history, vibrant culture, and dynamic modern attractions. Once known primarily for its coal and steel industries, Dortmund has transformed into a lively urban center with a rich blend of tradition and contemporary life. This comprehensive travel guide will explore 12 must-visit attractions and tourist spots in Dortmund, each offering a unique glimpse into the city's past, present, and future. 1. Signal Iduna Park. A visit to Dortmund would be incomplete without experiencing the legendary Signal Iduna Park, home to Borussia Dortmund, one of Germany's most successful football clubs. The stadium, with its capacity of over 81,000, is renowned for its electrifying atmosphere. Known as the Yellow Wall, the South Stand Terrace is one of the most iconic and intimidating experiences in European football. Guided tours offer an insider's view of the stadium, including the locker rooms, the players' tunnel, and the pitch itself. Additionally, the Borussia Dortmund Museum, located within the stadium, showcases the club's illustrious history through a range of exhibits, including trophies, historic jerseys, and multimedia presentations. Whether you're a die-hard football fan or a casual visitor, Signal Iduna Park provides a memorable experience. 2. Dortmunder U. The Dortmunder U is a symbol of Dortmund's cultural renaissance. Once a brewery, this striking building now serves as a hub for contemporary art and creative industries. Its iconic illuminated U is visible from across the city, making it a landmark of modern Dortmund. Inside, the Museum Ostwall offers an impressive collection of modern and contemporary art, featuring works by artists such as Pablo Picasso and Otto Dix. The Dortmunder U also hosts exhibitions and events related to digital culture and media art, reflecting the city's innovative spirit. For a panoramic view of Dortmund, visitors can head to the rooftop terrace, which provides stunning vistas of the cityscape and beyond. 3. German Football Museum. As a city with a deep-rooted football culture, Dortmund is home to the German Football Museum, a must-visit for any football enthusiast. The museum is dedicated to celebrating the history and significance of football in Germany. It features interactive exhibits, memorabilia, and multimedia displays that cover everything from the sport's early days to its modern successes. Key highlights include the Hall of Fame, which honors legendary players and historic moments, and a section dedicated to women's football. The museum also includes a penalty shootout simulator, where visitors can test their skills and experience the thrill of the game firsthand. 4. Westfalen Park and the Florian Term. Westfalen Park is one of Dortmund's largest and most beloved urban parks, offering a green oasis in the heart of the city. The park features beautifully landscaped gardens, serene lakes, and recreational areas for families and visitors to enjoy. The Florian Term, a prominent television tower located within the park, provides breathtaking views of Dortmund and the surrounding region. Visitors can take an elevator to the observation deck or dine at the revolving restaurant, which offers a unique dining experience with panoramic views. Westfalen Park is also home to the German Rosarium, showcasing an impressive collection of over 3,000 rose varieties, making it a perfect destination for garden enthusiasts. 5. Phoenix Sea. Phoenix Sea is a prime example of urban redevelopment, transforming a former steel mill site into a picturesque lake surrounded by modern architecture. The area has become a popular destination for leisure and recreation, with walking and cycling paths, water sports, and a vibrant waterfront lined with cafes and restaurants. The contrast between the contemporary buildings and the preserved industrial structures, such as the iconic blast furnace at Phoenix West, highlights Dortmund's successful transformation from an industrial powerhouse to a modern urban center. Whether you enjoy sailing, paddleboarding, or simply taking a leisurely stroll, Phoenix Sea offers a serene and scenic environment. 6. Hohenzollern Castle Ruins. The Hohenzollern Castle ruins offer a glimpse into Dortmund's medieval past. Situated on a hill overlooking the Ruhr River, the castle dates back to the 12th century and provides a fascinating historical perspective. The site includes the remnants of the castle walls, towers, and the Vinca Tower, which offers stunning views of the surrounding landscape. The area is also home to the Kaiser Wilhelm Monument, commemorating the German emperor. The Hohenzollern complex features a modern casino and several restaurants, making it a versatile destination for both historical exploration and entertainment. The surrounding hiking trails provide opportunities for outdoor activities and scenic views. 7. Zehn. Zehn is a well-preserved example of Dortmund's industrial heritage. This former coal mine has been converted into a museum and cultural site, showcasing the history of mining in the region. The site's highlight is the ornate machine hall, often referred to as the Castle of Labor, featuring stunning Art Nouveau, Jugendstil architecture. The museum's exhibits cover various aspects of mining life, from the technology used to the social conditions of the workers. Special exhibitions and events at Zehn provide additional insights into the city's industrial past, making it a compelling destination for history buffs and industrial enthusiasts alike. 8. Raldekirka, also known as St. Reinald's Church, is one of Dortmund's oldest and most significant religious landmarks. Dating back to the 13th century, this Gothic church is dedicated to Reinaldus, the city's patron saint. The church's impressive spire, intricate stained glass windows, and beautifully crafted interior make it a must-visit for those interested in architecture and religious history. Raldekirka also serves as a cultural venue, hosting concerts and events throughout the year. Its location in the historic center of Dortmund makes it an essential landmark and a great starting point for exploring the city's old town. 9. Dortmund Christmas Market. Dortmund's Christmas market is renowned for its festive atmosphere and vibrant holiday spirit. Held annually in the city center, the market features a vast array of stalls offering Christmas decorations, gifts, and traditional German foods like bratwurst, mulled wine, and gingerbread. The highlight of the market is the enormous Christmas tree, adorned with thousands of lights and ornaments. In addition to shopping, visitors can enjoy live music performances, an ice skating rink, and various carnival rides. The market's warm and welcoming ambiance makes it a memorable experience during the holiday season. 10. Dosa Working World Exhibition. The Dosa Working World Exhibition offers a fascinating exploration of the world of work and technology. This interactive museum covers topics such as industrialization, workplace safety, and the future of work. The exhibits include a virtual reality construction site, a flight simulator, and hands-on activities that illustrate the evolution of various professions. The museum also examines the social and economic impacts of technological advancements, providing a comprehensive overview of how work has shaped society. The Dosa Working World exhibition is both educational and engaging, making it a valuable destination for visitors interested in the intersection of work and technology. 11. Botanischer Garten Hamburg Park. The Hamburg Park Botanical Garden is a tranquil escape in Dortmund, featuring a diverse collection of plants from around the world. The garden's carefully designed sections include medicinal plants, tropical species, and a beautiful arboretum. Visitors can explore serene ponds, winding paths, and lush greenery, making it an ideal location for a relaxing stroll or a peaceful picnic. The garden also houses the Dortmund U, which is popular with families. The Hamburg Park Botanical Garden offers a serene environment and a chance to connect with nature in the heart of the city. 12. Museum für Kunst und Kulturgeschichte. The Museum für Kunst und Kulturgeschichte, Museum of Art and Cultural History, is located in a historic building and provides a rich overview of Dortmund's cultural heritage. The museum's extensive collection includes art, crafts, and historical artifacts spanning from the Middle Ages to the present. Notable exhibits include medieval sculptures, Renaissance paintings, and 19th century fashion and design. The museum also hosts temporary exhibitions and educational programs, contributing to its role as a vibrant center for cultural exploration. Whether you're interested in art, history, or design, the Museum für Kunst und Kulturgeschichte offers a diverse and engaging experience. Dortmund is a city that offers a wealth of experiences, blending its industrial past with a vibrant modern identity. From its iconic football stadium and cultural landmarks to its beautiful parks and historical sites, Dortmund invites visitors to explore its many facets. This travel guide provides a comprehensive overview of the city's top attractions, showcasing the diverse and dynamic character of this remarkable German city.